Jiangsu YAIWEI Transformer Group Company Limited is a comprehensive power enterprise group integrating power transformer, complex switchgear, electromagnetic wire, insulating material, iron core oil tank, and general contracting of power engineering. The group headquarters is located in Hai'an, Jiangsu, China. It now covers an area of about 366,700 square meters, employs 2,000 people, and has an annual production capacity of 5 billion yuan. The products include 500 kilovolts, 330 kilovolts, 220 kilovolts, 138 kilovolts, 110 kilovolts, 69 kilovolts large ultra-high voltage power transformers, and various dry-type transformers below 35 kilovolts, oil immersed transformers, amorphous alloy transformers, prefabricated substations, photovoltaic wind power transformers, various specifications of PAD transformers, electric furnace transformers, mining transformers, grounding transformers, and other special transformers. The product has obtained the IEEE certification issued by the International Electrotechnical Commission, and the product has passed the certification of CSA Certification Agency and the United States UL Company Limited. The Iron Core Workshop has 3 sets of slitting machines, 20 sets of transverse shears, 4 sets of automatic core filtering robots, and the daily output of iron core can reach 100 tons. Power Transformer Workshop. There are 2 sets vertical coil whitening machines, 2 sets horizontal whitening machines, 1 set kerosene vacuum drying with vapor phase heating equipment, and 1 set vacuum drying equipment. Distribution Transformer Workshop. It has 3 low-voltage foil whitening machines, 20 size high-end voltage coil whitening machines, 6 sets high-end low-voltage automatic welding machine, 4 sets vacuum drying machines, and 1 set vacuum oil filling equipment. The Metal Plate Workshop has 2 sets intelligent automatic blanking lines, 2 sets laser cutting machines, 1 set automatic bending machine, 7 sets CNC turbine punch machines, and 1 set automatic welding robot. The dry-type transformer workshop has 4 sets low-voltage foil whitening machines, 40 sets high-voltage and low-voltage wire whitening machines, 14 sets vacuum drying equipment, and 3 sets vacuum drying autoclave. The complete set of workshop products include prefabricated substation, combined transformer, pad-mounted transformer, photovoltaic all-in-one machine, wind power substation, mobile substation, underground substation, 35 kilovolts and below high and low voltage switchgear. The 500 kilovolts workshop is an ultra-high voltage purification workshop. At present, there are 6 sets vertical coil whitening machines and 3 sets horizontal whitening machines in a workshop. Electromagnetic wire workshop. The workshop has 6 sets wire drawing machines, 12 sets extrusion machines, 90 sets enameled wire machines, 9 sets transposition wires, 6 sets combined conductors, 29 sets paper wrapped wires. The main products are 10 to 500 kilovolts, electromagnetic wire of dry-type transformer and oil immersed transformer, reactor and enameled wire for engine, etc. There are 7 major product lines: enameled copper aluminum flat wire, enameled copper aluminum flat wire, transposition wire, composite wire, paper wrapped wire, non-woven copper clad wire, double layer glass fiber copper aluminum wire, copper bar, copper foil, aluminum foil, insulation material workshop. The main products are 500 kilovolts and below transformer coils, paper drums for assembly, corner rings, laminated wood-mounted insulation parts, etc., cable paper, dispensing paper, DMD prepreg, wrapping paper, electrical cardboard, composite hoarding, slating insulation paper, and other special insulation for electricians. Oil tank and radiator workshop. Main equipment of the workshop: 5 sets sheet metal laser cutting machines, 4 sets blanking machines, 2 sets corrugated forming lines, and 7 sets radiator lines, 2 sets spring, pitting lines, 1 set spring drying room, 2 sets sandblasting rooms. The main products are the special radiator group for 500 kilovolts and below transformers, oil-immersed corrugated sheet tank, amorphous alloy transformer oil tank, coiled iron core oil tank, photovoltaic transformer oil tank, wind power transformer oil tank, pad-mounted transformer and iron core clamp, as well as the shell and motive drive type transformer and other products. The products of Jiangsu YAIWEI Transformer Company are exported to the United States, Canada, South Korea, Spain, Germany, the United Arab Emirates, Australia, New Zealand, India, Vietnam, Cambodia, Africa, and other countries and regions. Thank you for watching. We welcome you to become YAIWEI's global business partner.